Well, healthy people, it is Elmira again, your licensed massage therapist, always helping you become a self-care boss. Today, I want to discuss the topic of balance. And in order to do that, we are going to do the tree pose. You are probably familiar with this in yoga. And in yoga, it is one of the asanas. I do not know the exact name. I just know it by the tree pose. And it is like so. You place it's kind of like you're in a P. You look like a tree. And the bottom of your foot is on your knee. If you can bring it up higher, you can certainly do that. And you can see by me wobbling and doing the things that I am doing, this helps with balance and coordination. This pose also helps if you're dealing with sciatic pain or any pain in your inner thigh. Even, you have issues with the arches of your feet. This will certainly help. I want to challenge you to hold this pose as long as you can. Don't feel stressed or challenged or like, I can't do it like so and so. It's not a bad thing at all. And then, of course, I'm going to do it on the other side. This will help with your balance and coordination. If you've been feeling like your life is off, you feel like your mind, your heart is not stable, you're not in a good place, try this pose and incorporate it into your daily self-care routine. You're going to feel the benefits, believe you me. And another way to get added benefit is to put on some music as you do it. You can pull up some chakra healing music on YouTube, or you may have some relaxing meditation music that you can do. That is our tree pose. Until next time, I want you to report on how you are maintaining balance and coordination in your life. Remember, you can book your massage with me at couturemassage.com. Also, I have 2 ebooks available. One is called Becoming a Self-Care Boss, 31 Days to Self-Discovery. The other one is Hi, Bye, I'm Too Shy, an Introvert's Guide to Networking. You can get both of those books over at couturemassage.com/shop. Until next time, my beautiful, healthy people, I want you always to maintain balance and coordination in your life. No matter what is going on, when you have worked on that balance, it will carry you through the toughest times in your life. Make it a relaxing day. Bye.